My life wants to be a movie, but it's actually a joke.
But before we get to that story, let's set the scene. I caught a $300 flight deal to Panama, therefore you know I had to take it. But I did not know much about Panama City outside of the canal. However, once I got there, I learned more about the beautiful views, the outdoors, and also the food, history, and culture that the city had to offer. But because I was a solo traveler, I had to find some things to do. Thanks to Airbnb experiences, I went to Monkey Island, had a great street food tour, a mojito making class, and even learned about the indigenous community in Panama. So come along with me to Panama City to listen to music, dance, and meet some really cool people who showed me a great time and even made some new friends along the way as a solo traveler. But first, we need to catch the flight.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock.
So yes, I am in Panama and this is my second day here. I got here in the afternoon, but I was really tired. I did not sleep for my flight, and so I slept a lot of yesterday. And I'm staying at Selena in Casco Viejo in Panama, and so I really like it. I know I love Selena hostels, and so I'm also gonna show you all a bit of the room. Okay, y'all, so this is the hostel. I know I love Selena's. They're really great and just an easy choice for co-working as well as traveling. I hung up all of my clothes because yes, I am that traveler. If I'm anywhere for longer than like 2 or 3 days, I definitely like to get very comfortable. And I really like this room. This is one of their standard rooms. It was $235, I believe. And they had a discount going, so I think I got like 30% off for 5 nights. So it's definitely a great choice if you are a remote worker and solo traveler who wants their personal space. And then here's the bathroom. The style is pretty similar to the other ones I've stayed in. If you watch my other solo travel and even remote work vlogs, you know I've stayed in Selena's in Chicago, New Orleans. So this is definitely on brand with the other ones, and I really like it thus far. And right next to the little closet is a desk. So this is probably where I will be sitting, at least for a little bit. Oops, there you go. This is where I'll be sitting to do my work and all that good stuff. As far as what's on my schedule for the day, I didn't plan too many things, honestly, for this trip. I did have like a food tour on Wednesday, but everything else I'm kind of just seeing where the trip takes me. I know they have a lot of different activities here at Selena I can do in partnership with other tour companies. So I'm gonna walk around, see what I can do, get some food, and we're just gonna have a good, chill first day.
Forward on my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it on my time. My time, my time, my time.
Good morning, friends. It is day 2 in Panama, and yesterday did not go as planned. So I was walking around Casco Viejo, which is like where my hostel is and everything, and I was going to this plaza. I think it's like Plaza de Francia, and I made it over there. I walked around, I got some earrings, I saw a really cute market and everything, and I also got an ankle bracelet. And over there I met this Afro-Panamanian like guy who was like, you know, I can definitely walk you around if you want. And so I did. And so we walked around for a few hours. He took me to like the Pueblo side of Panama, or Panama City, and he gave me like a little mini tour, which is really cute. He was super nice. But y'all, I also bust my okay? But he was like, oh, we should go down by these rocks. And something in me told me to not take my cute little romper and platform behind over there, and we got like to the last 3 steps and I bust my egg. I fall like, and I have a scab on my arm, on my elbow. I have some marks on my arm. Like, it was so bad. It was so bad. But he was like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. My life wants to be a movie, but it's actually a joke. I don't know, that definitely kind of ruined like the vibe. I wasn't flirting or anything like that, but I definitely like was like, yeah, I need to go back. So I did go back to my hostel. I did change and we did walk a little bit, but I was also getting really tired. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go back to my hostel and like hang out. And then I went to dinner and that was the end of the day. But my life. So that was yesterday. Today though, I'm going to Monkey Island to see the monkeys in their natural habitat. I'm very excited, and so I have about an hour or so to get ready, so I'm gonna do that. And yeah, I love meeting locals while I'm traveling. It's really cool, and it happens a lot more frequently now than it used to, so I like that. I like that a lot. I will see y'all, I guess, when we head to Monkey Island. Okay, we are all ready to go. The fit is definitely giving sporty, but we're gonna be on like on a little boat, so I don't want to wear like open-toed shoes or anything like that. So yeah, we're off to Monkey Island. So they only eat the mosquitoes and that's it? All right, leaving Monkey Island. It was really fun. I did see monkeys, which is great. Now it's time to head back to Panama City. Back in Panama City, it's kind of loud, the music, but I am at Sabroso, Panama, which is a nice little restaurant, kind of overlook the water. I'm the only one out here, so get it all to myself. I was really hungry after Monkey Island, which was super cute. I enjoyed it. Eduardo was the driver, and I got to use my Spanish, but let me tell you, using Spanish all the time again, it's like using your whole other brain. So I was definitely a little tired yesterday speaking Spanish, and today it's like, okay, a little better. So every little day matters.
don't think I've sweat this much in so long. Like, I'm sure I have sweat stains everywhere. I probably stank. I need to get an Uber and go back to the hospital. But the causeway is really pretty. If you want to walk along it, just know that 12 minutes from Sabroso to the causeway in the heat, it's gonna leave you sweating. Like, I look disgusting, but still getting honked at and catcalled. Just kidding, but not really. I am getting catcalled a little bit.
We're back. Next day, I am going to the indigenous village today, and it's also like a little jungle hike. So I had to go to the mall last night to buy some water shoes because apparently we're going into a lot of water and mud and things. I have my extra clothes here. Your girl is giving Eliza Thornberry, okay, Dora the Explorer. We're doing all the adventurous things, and I'm actually going with the same people I went on the tour with yesterday, so it should be good.
Like, your girl is literally in the water. Like, it's almost up to my calves or my knees. And for context, I'm 5'1". So, he's serious. I hope so. Talking about they don't eat people. Okay, so now we're walking, and wait, where's she at? This is Tiffany. Hey. She's another solo traveler I met in our car here, and baby, we out here. How you feeling, girl?
I am feeling hot and tired, but ready for the adventure.
Accurate. Almost fallen multiple times. Whew. Okay, now we're on our way to the actual village for like, this is the hike part. Now we're on like the cultural part of the tour. Tiffany made it in one piece.
Barefoot and all.
She hiked barefoot, which shout out to her, because I would have. I mean, honestly, you had no choice.
Right. Do what you have to do.
The food was fire.
Lesson learned: lime on your fish.
That's all you need. That's all you need. Okay, because all she did was put some lime on them plantains and that fish, and that was it.
You need an open grill.
Okay.
You need freshly chopped wood.
Okay, because I'm pretty sure that's why it tastes better. Because the stoves we be having suck out all the flavor, like all of it. Now it's time to go back and rest because I'm tired and I'm wet and my feet got mud and rocks and all other stuff.
It was worth it.
It was worth it. I'm glad I came and I met Tiffany.
Hey, Black girls travel solo.
Okay.
Hey, I'm Joey. So, alright, I'd like to start the tour today with a quick history spiel of Panama. Panama City has a bit of pirate history. So if you see all the modern skyscrapers there, and the airport is past that, in between those two locations is where Panama City started.
Joey ended my street food tour with a mojito making class, and I was the only person on this tour, so it really was a personalized experience. We went to a gorgeous rooftop and I got to make a mojito from scratch, which they are one of my favorite drinks, but I'm not gonna hold y'all. I definitely was struggling a little bit in order to make this drink, but he was super sweet, really nice and helpful, and we shared a lot of laughs.
Wasn't as graceful.
Yeah.
And I think this was a great way to end my trip in Panama City. I had done so many fun things solo, and it truly was a pleasure to hang out with Joey and really enjoy myself and eat some delicious food for my last night. Therefore, this is the end of my solo trip to Panama City vlog. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make my way around the city with not too many plans, but it turned out to be a fun-filled, adventure-filled few days. If you are considering a trip to Panama, I think Panama City is a great introduction to the country, though I do want to return because I heard they have some of the best beaches. So I hope to come back one day and also to hike the volcano. As always, I want y'all to stay curious and don't forget to subscribe to keep up with me in all of my adventures to show you beautiful places around the world.
This is Joey, book his tour in Panama City. It was so fun.